Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal Kit on a 2022 Yamaha RMAX4 LE. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. You can see with the Ryco kit, we've installed three 3/4 inch amber LEDs. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you're welcome to install those. That's a great place, especially with that upper brush guard. On the inside of the machine, how do you operate it? Just like you do a car. Down will be left. You do have those indicator lights up on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. And what I love about the Ryco kit is it does tie into the stock tail lights, utilizing all of those bright LEDs from the factory. You've got great behind visibility as well as from the side. Up will be right. Same indicator up there. And you do have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. You can see those corners flashing. Very nice. And around the back. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. And the horn button is integrated into the end of the column. The Ryco Street Legal Kit is going to come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors. 1 on each side of the driver is required. On this machine, it does come with that awesome rear view mirror from Yamaha. And the customer has selected the UTV Tech side view mirrors. We did 1 on each side. We love that, giving you extra visibility, but only that driver's side is required to be street legal here in Utah. It also comes with all of the license plate mounting hardware as well. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.